Okay, gonna do a quick review on Tostitos Chunky Salsa. You can find this in most grocery stores. It's a Frito-Lay's product you can find in most stores. You get salsa sauces and condiments, stuff like that. It's a 15.5 ounce jar. This is the mild. You get 13 servings per jar, 10 calories, and 250 sodium. Total carbohydrates 2, dietary fiber 1 sugar. It's a pretty good product. I use it in on tacos and chili, different things. I want to add a little bit of spice too. A little spice and a little flavor too. I like it. Roommates and kids like it when we put them in different things we cook too. Chili, hot, and tacos and stuff like that. Got a nice little taste to it. It's got a little mild spicy taste to it. Not real bad. I can't eat with spicy food because problems I have with my stomach. This goes pretty good with my stomach. It's great to use on chili and tacos and any kind of recipe that you want to use salsa sauce in. Give it whatever you're cooking a little bit of a kick. This is the Frito-Lay's Tostitos Chunky Salsa. You can find it in most grocery stores, or chip aisles, and where you get salsa and stuff like that.